the Prophet ﷺ gave good news of being in Jannah while he was still walking this earth. He was someone that our Prophet ﷺ loved so dearly. Sa'd radiallahu anh was extremely dutiful to his mother. He loved his mother so much. He would take care of her, he respected her, he honored her. But when he became a Muslim, his mother couldn't bear it. She hated the fact that he accepted Islam. And so she tried everything at her disposal to get him to leave Islam. She begged him, she guilt-tripped him, she did everything that she could to try to get him to leave Islam. Finally, she took an oath. She swore to Sa'd, unless you leave this religion, I will neither eat food, nor will I drink water, nor will I even take shade from the sun. And she did. She sat outside, in the heat, no food, no water. And Sa'd radiallahu anh didn't know what to do. He kept begging his mother, please go inside, please drink some water, please eat some food. And she refused. I won't stop unless you leave this religion.